We're here with Robbie.
Hey.
Allegheny 100 2019.
Ooh, how's it going?
How you feeling today?
Tired.
So you've done about 65.7 of the miles.
Pretty much non-stop.
Non-stop, no sleep. Are you starting to feel the fatigue?
Tired. I keep falling asleep hiking.
That's
Keep seeing things that aren't there, like a bush becomes a lion or something. I don't know. It's weird.
So Robbie's been awake since 7 a.m.
I saw a
Friday.
bear just a little while ago.
Robbie's been awake since 7 a.m. Friday. And today it's Saturday, almost. I don't even know. Like,
Is it Saturday?
yeah, today's Saturday already.
It is?
Yep, tomorrow's Sunday.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Complete exhaustion. The body starts to wear down from the trail.
Get some caffeine in me and that should do it.
Robbie's gone through about 10 pairs of socks on this so far. Constant wet. Put on a new pair of socks, wet the moment he gets back on the trail.
Yep. It's very muddy out there. And very hard to go around it. And hurry. If you're in a hurry, you can't go around. Just gotta go through.
People always ask what kind of happens to the feet. Can we zoom in on your feet if you don't mind?
Yeah, they're not bad. There's nothing really bad with them. They're just wet. Dirty.
67 miles worth of work. 65 miles, I mean. And they haven't even had a break. No sleep.
No sleep. I might have to take a little 2-minute power nap sometime today. First, we're going to try coffee. Liquid sleep.
Do you need anything to eat? Want a Snickers?
I probably should eat something.
Chips?
Yeah, chips.
Okay.
Chips sounds good. Oh, God.